What's the meaning of aforethought? Aforethought. 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 The word aforethought is an adjective that describes something that was planned or considered beforehand. It implies that the action or decision was not impulsive or done on a whim, but rather was carefully thought out. When something is done with aforethought, it usually results in a more deliberate and intentional outcome. This can be seen in various areas such as business, law, and personal decision-making. The use of aforethought can help ensure that decisions are made with foreknowledge and increased awareness, leading to more favorable outcomes.